Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'll show you how to enable the free VPN on Pixel phones. This built-in Google VPN is available on Pixel 7 and later models in supported countries. I highly recommend using this feature while on public Wi-Fi as it protects you against third-party monitoring, hackers and local tracking. Now to turn it on, go to Settings, tap on Network and Internet. Next tap on VPN. Select VPN by Google, toggle the button next to Use VPN, VPN is now connected. Go back and tap the gear icon next to VPN by Google. Here you can enable Always-on VPN to keep it connected at all times. Please note, enabling the VPN may consume more data, so be mindful of your usage, especially on mobile data. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.